my name's Linda, and today I'd like to share my garden with you. I'm not particularly a knowledgeable gardener, I've had no training, but I really like gardening. And I think I've just learned over the years what I like, what I don't like, what works, what doesn't work. And so hopefully by me sharing with you, you may see something in my garden that you could incorporate in your own garden, that might give you ideas or inspirations. Today I'm just going to give you an overview, and then I'm hoping to do several more videos to focus on specific parts. Okay, so are we ready to go? I'm starting with a wall at the side of my back garden. As you can see along this wall, I have decorative stone and iron ornaments. I've tried lots of things against this wall. I've put trellis and things growing up and hanging baskets, and which have been messy. So I found this really worked. I also have a few statues in the garden. This is a new addition. She's called Bluebell, and I'm very fond of Bluebell, and I think she's just a lovely addition to the garden, and I think statues just give a little bit of interest. I've got bedding plants growing at the bottom of the wall, as you can see. I just want to give you a little bit more detail of my metal mirrors, which are very inexpensive. The stone ones are a little bit more expensive, but once you've got them, you've got them, and they're just so easy, and I think they're really effective, and actually again just give some interest to the garden. I also have two fountains, as you can see, which run off the same plug, which is really lovely to hear the sound of running water, and I think it just adds to the atmosphere of the garden. I also have pots at the front of my wall at the back of the garden, which add interest as well, and additional colour. Got lots of little ornaments scattered around the garden. This is a cheeky little lamp which keeps an eye on me when I'm on my lounger. And I also have lots of garden stakes in the garden. I can't see them very clearly now because the garden's getting a little bit fuller. But I've got some brass ones there, no, metal ones, sorry, metal ones which are rusty, but they're fine. They look lovely like that. And I have some forget-me-nots in the back, and some others which I'll show you when we go up the path. I also have some little ones here, which are new. I actually bought some for my daughter, and I just loved them so much. I had to order some for myself, and there's just a colourful lizard, and there's some more ceramic. That's a ceramic poppy, and metal lilies, more forget-me-nots, and then I have my two lovely dragonflies which are near my bird bath. And my bird bath was actually my mum's and was in her garden for many years, so it's very precious to me, and gives me a great deal of pleasure. And I have here, this was bought for me for a significant birthday, and if you can see, I've got little mice hiding in it, and there's a naughty cat ready to pounce. Okay, well that is actually the floral part of my garden, and we're going to go up the path now. And at the back of this path I have an arbour which I sit in, and I watch the birds splashing around in the bird bath, which is just so much fun. Some more garden stakes there. Those I've painted with hammerite paint, which lasts for many years. Those are bluebells. So we're going up the path now, and I have lots of different plants, and they come into flower at different times. And you can just see in there I have some more garden stakes. There's a lovely gold metal one. And these plants are all just coming into flower. Yes, and this is the view I have from my arbour. which is absolutely lovely. And that's the back of the garden stakes, if you can see. Another hanging basket in the corner, and just different shrubs dotted here and there. Okay, we're going back down the path, and this side is my shrub part of the garden, which I'll show you a little bit more of now. There's another bird bath coming into view. This I really love. It's gold, and when the sun shines on it, it really glistens. And I've also put solar lights up it, so in the evening they just ping into light, and it's so lovely. I also have lights in my arbour which come on, solar lights, and there's some more ornaments there which again just give it a little bit of interest. And this side of the garden, as I say, is just shrubs, and I've just tried to have shrubs with different colours and different shapes, just to add interest. And I have another statue there, again, as I say, just hiding in the shrubs, which just gives that little bit of interest. And here, this is a corner that I don't use very much, so I call these statement plants. I've just put these in here to give a little bit of interest. Yes, so that's just an overview, as I say, and I'm planning to do a few more just to talk a little bit more in detail about certain areas of the garden. So, well, I do hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that you'll join me for my other videos. Okay, bye for now.